researching the paranormal. We're out here, a little 27 miles from Ely, Charcoal Historical Park. And these, as you can see, they're shaped like cones. That's Leroy over there going into the third one where something ran up behind them. Yes, these cones are very haunted. There's Teri and Robert over there. Yeah.
So,
Okay, you're on, Lee.
hi, this is Lee from Researching the Paranormal. We're here in these ovens, but they look like worship. They look like worship things because they got a window up there and they got an entryway up there. So usually when you have something like this, they depend on the light to come through, and then they have something over here where the light would hit.
I just seen an orb fly right next to you.
Really?
Yes.
So, anyway, we're in these, I guess you want to, they're almost like cones.
Yeah.
We're trying to find out if there's any spirits, and we're doing a necrophonic right now.
Yeah.
And we picked up some spirits. Yeah. And we're just going to move from cone to cone, I guess. We got another team out there going from cone to cone to see what they pick up on the SOS.
Yeah.
And then we'll probably leave them in here, and then we'll probably go see what we can pick up.
You want me to hold that?
This? Oh, good. I got this? Oh, good. I got it. Yeah. I'm gonna, because I gotta aim the light a certain way.
Yeah, they know you.
Yeah. So
I'm gonna show them outside real quick.
Andre's got a little bit.
These are cones. Okay, so I'm gonna put it in night vision. See the cones?
I can't go. I can get it done for myself. Because I have some on the company. Oh, yes, it almost frightened me when I walked up on them. This is so gorgeous.
We'll leave our stuff there,
Okay.
and then we'll see where.
We're walking the path. I wonder if you can get it all from an angle.
Oh, they were here.
Yeah. They were?
The flashlights were there.
Oh.
So, I'm still on here so you can talk to me. So we're in the second cone right now.
Are there any spirits in here?
Let's see. Let's do this first. Let's do a ghost detector, which is really active right now. Oh my God.
Why is this here right here? Like, dark inside?
Because they burn the wood and stuff in here.
Oh, they do?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can see the fire. And man, this is a hell of a fucking oven. What you cooking here? I mean, that's crazy. That's why I think they were like, maybe they were used for others, but I do believe that a lot of Yeah, big dog.
Like I know it is. I see that. And that's even wider
Yeah.
than the first one.
Yeah, so
It's breathtaking.
shows we have interest. Yeah, we're interested in this. We're trying to find out why would this be out here in nowhere.
Robert should be recording too with his camcorder.
So who's in here? I know you want to talk to me. I see you want my leader. All right, I'm switching it. Oh, wait a minute. Something's coming towards us. You can come towards me. He wants to come towards me. It's like, it says it's biting me.
Yes.
Okay, let's go connect the phone.
Okay. I'm just gonna take a little tour.
Stop.
We're not gonna stop. So what do you guys do? Is this different spirits here?
They're saying there's a demon. What's the demon? Where? Here?
Here.
Oh shoot.
Oh, really?
Do we have to battle? Monster
Wow.
in the wind.
Oh, man, I wish I had a walkie-talkie.
What kind of demon is this? Why are you guys so scared?
Hey, Robert! Robert!
You.
We bring that walkie-talkie.
No.
This is why we need it.
We need walkie-talkies, yeah. That's why we need the walkie-talkies.
Set of five.
Oh, he's coming. He's
Where is
a
he?
bad demon.
Where is he? Does he hold you guys down? He holds you guys down?
Trapped.
Okay. Where are you? Where are you, demon?
Robert, he said Robert.
Said Robert.
Yeah, Robert's here.
Chevonne.
You know. You know Darlene?
Yes, Darlene. Yes, sir.
You know Andre?
He said, Robert.
You know Andre?
He said, Robert.
You know Andre? 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 You
He's a demon. No, he didn't.
So demon.
What?
Why are you here?
I heard them.
I'm trying to get Robert up here.
I know, but I hear them, so why didn't he hear you when you were calling them? He should have heard you.
Robert! Terry.
They're saying Teri.
How about
Murder.
okay, demon, where are you?
Oh,
I'm right here.
knocked the camera out of my hand. Camera just took something, like made it
Come
fall
forward.
out of my hand. I had to catch it.
Show me that you're here.
Oh, he said F you.
Yeah. Come on. I'm right here. I want to get Robert.
We'll be right back. Or you come with us. Or you gonna stay here?
Hey, Robert! Robert!
Let's go down there. Ouch! They said Robert on the radio. Are they in there?
Hey. Yeah, Robert. I need you.
Oh man, we were calling for you? Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Hey, it said your name, Teri.
Yeah?
Yep.
You get it right?
But it also, yeah, it said Teri.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And which one? The second one?
Yes.
You keep calling Robert.
Robert. It keeps saying your name.
My name?
Yeah.
Say, get out.
Said-
I ain't nowhere. Ain't no one telling me to go.
So
And we got a demon. Oh my God! Did you hear that? It said Andre, but very evil. Like,
Andre. Yeah, I heard you know.
not moving.
enough. Demon. So are we supposed to battle tonight or something?
Would you come up with it?
Well, I haven't gotten anything. I haven't gotten one damn thing. The only thing that I'm getting like an airhead. Like I'm becoming an airhead right now.
He said earlier, demon in the wind.
Yeah, I'm becoming like an airhead right now. It's like I feel like everything is going and I'm just
So, demon,
There's blood.
I want you to show yourself. I want you to come up now.
Listen, he told you to listen.
Listen to me. I'm not here to be your friend. I am here to take you. I am here to take you
He
out.
said fight me.
I thought it said slice.
Or slice.
And that's what it is. Because I asked the universe to bless this knife.
Get out.
I asked Michael and Megatron to be on my right, and I asked Lilith on my left. I asked the four angels to come down and prop themselves. All right, demon.
I did for elsewhere.
Stab you, stab you, stab you, stab you, stab you, stab you, stab you. I cut. I
Explosion.
stab the pentacle. Stab the pentacle. I stab the pentacle. Stab the pentacle.
What explosion?
It's rough.
I cut.
Gross. Yeah, that bug
I
is
bind
gross.
you. I open up the portal. I capture you. I put you in the portal. I shut it.
He said something. I'm hearing like a buzz. Do you hear the sinister voice coming through there?
Alright, so do you guys feel a girl at all?
No, not yet.
I feel a girl. I feel a girl. I think the girl wanted me here to like.
It said your name several times, driver.
Yes.
She wanted to be around me, have me around her. That's all I'm getting so far. So there's a female, but she seems short. I don't know if she's short, but I don't know if she's old or what. But she seems short, and she seems like she's right here. Like, you have the SLS camera? Is there anything behind it?
You see anything?
No.
We're getting a lot of voices here.
I feel it right here.
There's a lot of voices.
Feel it right here.
What is your names? Rachel. Darren. Austin. Rachel, Darren, Austin. Any other names? Jim. We
Why are
got.
you all here? Why did you guys end up here?
I can swim.
They're using my body for something.
What is it?
I don't know yet. They're using my body. Is what the lady told me. They're using my body for something.
Okay.
Damn bugs.
Do I need to throw more?
No, don't. Not here.
I want to.
I'm gonna
Do you smoke?
If you wanted to get rid of this energy, this would take every day for like a year.
I want to. Listen to me. I want to send you to the light.
Yes, that's what she wants.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask the universe to open the light right now. Right where that hole is. That's all you got to do is go for it.
It changed it on you, Lee. It changed his app.
Eugene,
Right,
Eugene?
that's the first word I've had through this whole thing.
Yes.
Before I showed you bite.
So I asked the universe to open up the light. It's already there, the hole. All you got to do is go to that hole. Now I can't tell you to do it, but I'm going to tell you
She
something.
needs a body. You need a body to go through the hole. She uses. I think, you know how I say they're using my body, she uses a body to go through the hole. Maybe that's why I'm here.
Oh, okay,
So she can use my body to go through the hole.
okay. So what you need to do, one thing I'm going to tell you right now. The year is 2021. Now, you've probably been dead for hundreds of years, but you got loved ones on the other side. So you can go there now.
Open the hole for me.
Okay, I opened the hole.
Oh, yes.
You
You
can
feel
go
that? You
there.
guys feel that? Or am I the only one who feels that?
Like a
You don't feel
breeze?
That chill of her release? Yes, that chill?
Yes.
Okay, good.
I feel
You
it.
can
Yeah,
go.
her going- Yeah, she's
I
gone.
feel that.
She's gone.
Yeah.
She
All right.
left. As soon as that hole was big enough for her to go, She said goodbye.
And look,
Good.
And it's silent.
silence.
So she needed my body to leave.
Right on, Robert.
Get off my god dang freaking fly.
Why the fuck I feel like an
Drink
air?
a bow.
Yeah.
My energy's in my phone. Robert,
What is it?
Huge spider.
Oh, yeah, there's spiders in
The
here.
spider's on right there. This is a huge spider right there.
is 8%.
8%?
You got 8%.
Oh, shoot.
Should we go to the other?
It's closer.
The other one was,
I think we're gonna start.
the other one was a place
No,
of
let me show
worship.
you. Let me show you.
The other one was
I
fine.
think I touched it. See it right there?
How about down there?
Right there.
We only went to the other one. We
Right
went to
there.
that one. Then I started
Right there,
smoking,
look.
and when I started smoking,
Where am
they
I?
said respect.
Right there, right there.
I was like, because I told them this is
Oh,
smoking.
don't touch it.
So I started
Yeah,
smoking,
right there.
and then they said respect.
I think that I touched it on accident.
So
That's why I
should
started
we
running.
go to the last one? I mean, we
Yeah, the last
One thing
one.
is,
two or just
me personally,
stay like a
you,
go.
I think, I don't want you to do this. Hey, you don't ask man, okay? I know that. But me personally, no more of this, because what you just did and the amount of energy it took for me for her to do that is very draining for both of us. So she is going, she's happy as fuck. She's like, she's happy as fuck right now, like really happy. And, but, so if we go to the next one,
Well,
and you
they've
start
been
clearing
calling
these out like
forever.
this, when you go to the basement,
They've been talking about it forever.
you're gonna get hurt.
Okay.
Okay, so I personally feel that we need to not do this no more.
Okay.
Okay, let's leave the ritual here.
Yeah.
And we can always come back.
Which we need to do in the daytime. Tomorrow, I was gonna suggest that tonight.
Do you guys want to come back here in the
Tomorrow,
daytime?
yes. So we go home, go to the back, rest, get ready for
Well,
tonight.
wait a minute though, they're calling for Robert,
Again,
correct?
well, they already
They were
did.
calling for Robert earlier.
Okay,
That's why they
Not
called me.
anymore?
Yeah.
Oh, no, she's gone. She's gone.
Yeah.
You get ready for
Okay.
We have a big
I thought you
investigation
were saying they
tonight.
were.
And then we get.
Okay, so this is just a
Just a
preliminary investigation?
Try to.
Okay, so let's walk over here.
Yeah.
So what happened just now, and it was amazing because I could feel it. I opened that light and then Robert said open it bigger. When I opened it up bigger, I felt something, man. It was really unbelievable. So what we did is I cleared the demon out of here. I got the spirits out. They were happy.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna close this up
So for instance,
and we're
Come back
ready
again.
for a bigger
Investigation
investigation
tonight. Yeah.
where I gotta save my energy because it's gonna be a battle.
when I get
Yeah.
there,
So
We'll be back tomorrow.
yeah, we'll be back tomorrow.
whatever it was through here, the
And,
there, I need to place her as close to that hole as I can.
We'll get our
So
final.
that way, when I go up and I place her that, like right up there.
Sure.
Yes.
Show me. So, never make
Tell
me
what you thought of this investigation.
all in my mind, and when you look all in your mind,
Very
you
interesting. It's a
don't
beautiful
believe
color.
what you're doing is correct.
What do you think, Miss Darlene?
Don't even try it, because you're fucking everything up.
Right, right.
You
That's
have
exactly
to
what
know
it is.
that
There
I'm
was a
wrong.
young lady
Like,
that was
I
here.
have to know I'm wrong. I
That
have
was
to
into
know
the
I
light,
have
which
to
was
know.
obviously,
I think it'd be also just as good as we come back to you to see in the daytime, get a more
Yeah.
view of what's going on.
Yeah.
really move.
We'll be back here.
Yeah, really.
Darlene,
Yeah.
come here.
When
You guys.
sit down, you have to soak up.
We're doing our final.
Yeah.
Darlene, what did you think of this investigation?
Very interesting. Knocked some spirits out. Really took the whole team. But the poems are breathtaking. Blew me away.
Okay, all right.
Terry,
Teri,
Yes,
what'd you think about this place?
well, I love the facilities themselves. As far as what's going on here, I'm not getting enough. But I did see what took place here.
Yes.
And it was very moving. You could feel it. We felt the breeze going through as she was leaving. you know, and it's not windy outside, so it got cooler in here. And I loved how Robert explained
There's a breeze.
how he helped her to escape.
Yeah.
And so, yeah, I'm still waiting. Waiting for our investigation in the basement.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, Robert.
Okay, Robert, sir.
So this is my first time with the outro, so, you know, bear with it, but coming here, you felt a lot of energy and a lot of Indian power. And then when you get here, there was peace. There is also peace here, so it's not necessarily all negative and bad. There's peace here as well. But to be here inside of this home and to be able to lift that girl up and bring her to the light that Lee opened up, felt amazing. I've never felt nothing like that before when it comes to the beautiful feeling through your body.
Yeah, and there's a breeze that's still coming through here now.
Yes.
So I'm very pleased with this. I want to come back. And if anybody wants to feel something, you come here.
Yeah.
You come here.
Yeah.
There's everything here. There's aliens, there's werewolves, there's demons, there's good, there's everything here. So if you want to feel something, come to this place.
Yeah.
All right.
Andre.
Okay, this is Researching the Paranormal, and we are out.
Oh, thank you.
Out.
Oh, yeah, I didn't